Hello guys, and in today's video, I became a bird. And what today's video we're going to be doing with my friend Sony B, I don't know where he went. That's Sony B. Say hi Sony B to the camera. Some of you guys have seen this guy in one of my videos, in a collab. Yeah. What in today's video we'll be doing, we might be going into the cave, we might be killing some humans, and we're gonna make some power-ups. Now, Sony, I wanna make you a power-up. Come with me, follow me. Come up here. Come over here. Come over to this guy. Come take a look at what he's reading. Okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna make this. It gives you faster flight. You come faster. So this is the materials you need. And you gotta put them in order on the machine, and then when you drink it, it will make you get that. I'm going to make the ultra fast flight, and then we will go take a look around. So it's a tier 2 plant. Flight and a golden egg. Okay. I don't think you can. And then that should do it. Come on. Yes, here it is. Hey, Sony, bottoms up. And now I'm more faster. Look at that. Did you see how fast I went? Okay, to the cave. I will see you at the entrance. If you would let me teach you how to craft, maybe you'll be fast like me. Do you want to know how to craft items? You can become this fast, Sony. You can. Oh, I just went through the wall. I went so fast, I went through the wall, bro. One of the upgrades, what I'm gonna get next is all the poop ones. I'm gonna get ultra fast poop and rapid fire poop. Fast poop, rapid fire poop, and explosive poop. I think that's it. Wait, let me check. Wait, let me just check for a sec. Yeah, there's rapid poop, exploding poop, and flaming poop. Bro, I hate these Cyclops. They're so annoying. Alright. Oh, those crosses actually shoot stuff. I did not realize that. Oh, so they were there for decoration. Poo! Yo, Sony, did you die? Come on, where is he? Where is he, bro? Yo, there you are. Wondering where you were. Oh, you sad now? Oh, we have like 4 minutes and 36 seconds left. We are at 4 minutes and like 36 seconds or something. I don't know. Of recording time. I'm using like on my TV. I'm using like one of those Mission Impossible 10-minute timer. I think that's fear. That is not fear, bro. That is creepy. Oh my god, bro. I dare you to come and catch me, Buttershot Show. No, you can't. Let's go get a wingmate. Let's go get your wingmate. Bro, when I keep getting ads on the video on the timer, bro. Yeah, I like to call this guy Robotic Sony. I'm kidding, y'all. It's actually called Bird Watcher, and it throws grenades at you. See, I thought this was a bunker, but turns out it actually summons a really cool robotic thingy that really doesn't like birds. So I'm actually really a bird watcher. I'm coming. It is. When you when you get it low, the cannons start like getting destroyed. But it is possible. I've defeated him before. I thought he spawned here defaultly. But he is very difficult to defeat. See, I just died. You're going where? I don't know where he went, y'all. I think he went to go fight it. Yeah, he's gonna go fight it, bro. I'm coming! Let's defeat it together, Sony! We must kill him! You gotta attack him at the cannons. One of the cannons eyes weak will actually attack it. The more damage you do to it, the higher of the chance of its cannons getting destroyed. Like, I defeated it before by myself in 3 lives. I only died 3 times. Come on. Bro, that's like must be like the most random game I've ever played, bro. Like, you really become a bird. Come on, bro, Chacho! We must kill it, Sony B! You attack its cannons that are firing at you. You poop on them. I recommend using both your triggers while to shoot. Come on! If we do good enough damage, one of its cannons will get destroyed. Making it that it will shoot less, which is good. I think you need like explosive poop to easily defeat this thing, bro. Where'd Sony B go, bro? I'm getting. Oh, he died. Are you angry at Are you angry at the bird watcher? Right, while you do that, I'll go fight him. Catch up. I'll wait. I won't wait for you to catch up. I'm joking. Or am I? Come on! We're doing good damage! When I actually started defeating it, when it only had one cannon left, I think it gave up. Because it really just stopped shooting me entirely, bro. And I just spam. Yeah. And the bomb just went off. So the recording ends.